Welcome to Bike Lab. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW G310 GS.A compact adventure bike that brings BMW's renowned quality and versatility to the entry-level segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike promises a thrilling ride with premium features, design and build quality. The 2025 G310 Gs carries forward the distinctive BMW design language, with a sharp, aggressive look. The bold front end, muscular tank, and durable bodywork make it stand out as a true adventure bike. With a solid frame and high-quality finish, it feels like a bike that could take on tough terrain without compromising comfort or style. Performance and India. Under the hood, the G300 TS is powered by a 313cc single-cylinder engine. It delivers a smooth 34 horsepower, providing ample power for both city commuting and off-road exploration. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that ensures precise gear shifts, offering a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Off-road capabilities. True to its adventure bike roots, the G310 Gs is equipped to handle a variety of terrains. With long travel suspension, high ground clearance, and a tough yet lightweight frame, it's ready for light off-roading. Whether you're navigating gravel paths or tackling tricky trails, this bike's agility and stability make it an excellent companion for any adventure. Technology and features. BMW has equipped the G310 Gs with a 5-inch TFT display, offering a modern touch to the bike's tech features. It provides clear information from ride data to connectivity options. Additionally, the bike comes with optional riding modes and standard safety features like ABS, ensuring riders get a blend of fun and security. ABS. Comfort and ergonomics. The 2025 G310 Gs offers a comfortable and upright riding position, ideal for long journeys or technical off-road riding. The seat is designed for comfort over extended distances, and the handlebars provide excellent control without straining the rider. Plus, with adjustable levers, you can fine-tune the setup to your liking. Conclusion. The 2025 BMW G310 GS continues to impress with its versatile mix of style, performance, and off-road capability. Whether you're an urban commuter or an adventurer, this bike provides a perfect entry point into the world of adventure riding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Lab for more reviews and updates on all things motorcycling.